Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 500 high tactical boot by Adidas and Kanye West Yeezy in the utility black colorway. It comes in a 500 branded slide-out cardboard Yeezy box with the shoes wrapped in beige paper. An extra set of laces come with this pair, which was a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Released in mid-August 2023, this new model is inspired by combat boots, with its high top design and hook style looking eyelets based on the Yeezy 500 that first released over 5 years ago back in 2018. It features a mix of materials which include suede, nubuck, and two tones of black and dark brown ballistic mesh on its upper. I like the thin, hard-wearing ballistic nylon tongue that offers a super low profile support. All of this sits on Adidas Basketball FYW Adiprene sole seen on the Kobe worn KB83. Which offers a stable bouncy cushion ride with non-marking traction. I prefer this premium more minimal look compared to the original open mesh circular pod design. Combined with this utility black colorway feels more discreet and high-end. What's truly impressive is its surprisingly lightweight. It feels a lot lighter than the 500 high thanks to its slim non-padded design. The ballistic mesh and nylon feels robust and high quality, which might justify the £250 retail price. One drawback for some will be the lack of ankle support for those using this for more than the general lifestyle demands. I would recommend the Yeezy Desert Boot for more supportive and protective Yeezy. Sizing wise, I went up a size at a US 11, and I would advise you go up at least half your US size for the Yeezy 500s, as the Yeezy 500s tend to fit short and narrow at the toe. So overall, yes, it's premium, yes, it's lightweight, but the £250 retail price compared to the £180 I paid for the better looking, in my opinion, and supportive Yeezy Desert Boot has me in two minds. It's not a 2 pairs minimum for me, but it's good to see these finally release. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the likes and subscribe button and comment tactic to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.